All right, breaking news just coming in. Sources are telling NDTV that the expert panel has recommended approval to the Serum Institute of India for the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine. That's the breaking news coming in. Remember, the crucial subject expert committee of the drug regulator was meeting since this afternoon. On the table was the consideration for consideration was the emergency use authorization applications of Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech. Now the news we are getting, Sukirti Dwivedi is getting us this breaking news that sources are confirming to her that the expert panel has recommended approval, the emergency use authorization for the Serum Institute of India's Oxford vaccine. That vaccine here is called Covishield. Final decision, however, on the approval will be taken by the Indian drug regulator. So the subject expert committee recommends and the final decision is taken by the Indian drug regulator. That's the procedure. Let's go across to Sukirti Dwivedi for more on this. Sukirti, what are the details you're getting?
Well, yes, this is the big breaking news at this point of time, that the expert panel has recommended an approval for the Serum Institute of India for the Oxford COVID-19 vaccine. This is a big go ahead from the expert panel. Now this will go to the drug regulator, the Indian drug regulator, the Director Controller General of India, Drugs Controller General of India, Dr. V.G. Somani will be taking a final call. But this is the big development that everybody had been waiting for. All the data analysis was in the hands of the expert panel, this government appointed panel, which held its third meeting today on this issue, and they have taken the decision to recommend an approval for Serum Institute of India, recommend an emergency use authorization for the Serum Institute of India. Now the final call will be taken by the Drug Controller General of India, Dr. V.G. Somani. But as we have been reporting before as well, Dr. Somani had earlier hinted that India is likely to have a happy new year with something in hand. So he has hinted before that India is likely to get a good news. So all eyes on him now, all eyes on the Indian drug regulator for a final go ahead. But definitely from the expert panel, they have recommended an approval for SII based on all the data of the trials that had been presented by the Serum Institute of India before them. This would end up being India's first vaccine. From what Mr. Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute of India, has said before, that they already have the first 50 million doses ready, and majority of those would go out to India. Also, another important point is the fact that tomorrow India is set to hold a dry run for the vaccine across all states in India. So in terms of preparation, in terms of logistics on ground, things have already been in motion. The government is all geared up. But it's the actual vaccine that everybody had been waiting for, and now this expert panel has given a go-ahead. Only a final procedure go-ahead to be received from the drug regulator.